Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for Instagram. First, establish a dedicated Notion workspace for your content. Then, create a new database to centralize all your Instagram posts. Within this database, add essential properties such as post status, publication date, and content type. This foundational setup will streamline your entire content creation process, making it much more organized and efficient from the start. Once your database is ready, develop a comprehensive content calendar directly within Notion. Assign specific publication dates to each of your planned Instagram posts, ensuring a consistent schedule. Utilize the status property to track each post's journey, from its initial draft phase through review and finally to being published. This systematic approach helps you maintain a clear overview of your upcoming content. Notion becomes your central hub for content creation. Store all your visual assets, like photos and videos, directly within each post's entry. Draft compelling captions and relevant hashtags right alongside your media. If you work with a team, Notion facilitates seamless collaboration, allowing multiple members to contribute to and review content before it goes live. This keeps everything in one accessible place. Finally, use Notion to track and review your Instagram post performance. Add a property to record key metrics like likes, comments, and reach after publishing. Regularly review these engagement rates and any audience feedback you receive. This data is invaluable for understanding what resonates with your followers. Use these insights to refine and adjust your future content strategy for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.